Glass doors and windows, they're very similar in the way they behave, so we're gonna explore them together. To get started, you can go to the top, add things on walls, and just add a glass door, or you can press on your keyboard GD, that's the keyboard for glass door, and just place them anywhere. The same for windows, WN, that's gonna be for windows, and we can add a window there, or even in our internal walls, I could just add my glass doors and windows. The settings and configuration for them, they are very similar. So we have the ability to change the width, the height, and the bay offset, as we have seen for all of the different openings inside Shedmate. They are generally placed in the middle of the bay. That's the standard placement, and then we can manipulate them around. And we can flip. So if you zoom in a little bit closer, you can see that the glass doors and windows, they have like handles and the indication of what direction it's actually sliding, so we can flip them around and change the color. If you don't find the color that your company uses, just please reach out to our team. We'll be able to configure and set up the right one, so your Shedmate environment will be adaptable for your own company settings. So this is the basics of doors and windows, very simple. Just something here to, a trick that we can use inside Shedmate. If you try to add a window here on this specific bay, for instance, I'm just gonna press ask and add things to my project window. You can see that's gonna replace the existing sliding door, and that's generally because we're adding one per bay. But a good trick you can do is just add a glass door there, and you can get another window in another bay and just use the bay offset to just move it to the position you want. So here I could just put -3, for instance, and just keep adding the offset, and now I have my window and my door in the same bay. So this is just like a trick you can use to play with the system to design in the way you want. And as you add in these items, you can see that Shedmate automatically creates for us all of the framing and the studs and the folded channels for those items as well. This is it about our glass doors and windows. Let's cover the next items in the next videos.